So, no matter how saturated the smartphone market gets, Xiaomi always finds a way to grab attention with something bold. And this time, the company is teasing its upcoming Xiaomi 17 Pro with a twist that could seriously shake things up. Instead of sticking to the same glassback formula we've seen year after year, Xiaomi is adding a feature that feels futuristic yet practical: a rear display built right into the camera bar. In a fresh teaser posted on Weibo, Xiaomi dropped a short video showing off the device. At first glance, you notice a distinct design on the back. There's a raised section across the top, housing the cameras, something that might remind you of the iPhone 17 Pro's redesigned camera island. But here's the interesting part: that raised strip isn't just about optics. It doubles as a secondary screen. Xiaomi is calling this feature the magic back screen, and while we only get a brief look in the teaser, the potential is massive. From what we've seen so far, the display can show a clock, images, widgets, and most importantly, it can be used as a camera viewfinder. This opens up some really cool possibilities, like snapping selfies with the main rear cameras for better quality, or using it as a handy quick-glance display without waking the main screen. If this feels a little familiar, you're not wrong. Xiaomi actually experimented with a rear display back with the Mi 11 Ultra, which featured a tiny 1.1-inch panel tucked next to the camera. That version was useful but limited. This time, though, Xiaomi seems to have leveled things up in a big way. The new display looks much larger, stretching right up to the cameras and wrapping around the module, more in line with what we've seen on foldables like the Motorola Razr or Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. The fact that Xiaomi is returning to this concept shows they clearly see value in it. Unlike gimmicks that die out after one attempt, a rear screen can actually be very practical if done right. Notifications, widgets, customization, and camera controls all feel like natural fits. And with Xiaomi's focus on hardware innovation, we can expect this to be more than just a flashy add-on. Considering Xiaomi's history, we'll likely get a full showcase of what the magic back screen can do in the coming weeks. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Xiaomi 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.